Brother, I cannot make this up. A big ass crane or something just hit my fucking mirror, bro. RIP to the poor chap that just took out my beloved mirror, bro. That's crazy. Well, I think I fixed it. I gotta let them know what happened. Hey guys, it's been a very eventful day thus far. We are currently sitting an hour and 50 minutes away to 2 hours from our delivery there in Mount Vernon, Illinois. Did y'all see? I'm gonna try to like freeze it on that bird from the time lapse. I'll put the picture. I'll put the picture in here. Like, that thing was massive. I've never seen a bird that freaking big before. It looked like a damn pterodactyl. But I've currently stopped so I can take my 30-minute break and eat some lunch. That's currently what I've done. I'm gonna head out of here in a few minutes and continue to the delivery, and I'm gonna get there and hopefully they'll unload me today. If not, I've got to come back in the morning. So fingers crossed they'll unload me. But I'll be checking back with y'all shortly. What's up, guys? Well, we're being unloaded. Been sitting here for an hour 20. The first 45 minutes of that was your boy's fault. I thought when I backed to the door that I had backed all the way to the door. I did not. I had roughly about 2 to 3 feet. But I was too busy trying to get a video posted and everything instead of paying attention to what I was doing. That's on me. I should have been more attentive to what I needed to do instead of worrying about that. Right? That's a lesson learned. Well, also, as you see, as I was backing into the door, it started to snow. It came down pretty good for a little while, but now it's pretty much stopped, you know, for the most part. There's random flurries now. It's pretty light now. There's just like a little dusting, and a lot of it looks like it's melted, like it's not even really sticking. So that's a plus. I'm hoping the road getting out of here is all right, which I'm pretty sure it will be. But yeah, man, I hope everyone had a good day today. I did, outside of that freaking pterodactyl taking out my mirror. Like, y'all don't understand. That picture that I put up in here, man, that bird is so freaking big, dude. That bird was every bit of maybe 4 feet tall. Like, it was the height of a small human. Like, it was crazy, man. Like, maybe that picture will give y'all some perspective to that. Like, that thing was fucking massive. I have never, like, I've seen bald eagles and buzzards and, you know, stuff like that. Like, rather large birds, but not that. That was bigger. That thing was huge, man. It had every bit of a 5 to 6 foot wingspan. Like, I'm not even joking. Like, it's crazy. I have never, in the 10 going on 11 years that I have been driving trucks, I have never in my life seen no shit like that before. I have personally never hit a bird, much less an animal, in my entire career. So today, I take out a freaking pterodactyl. Like, you just can't make this up, man. You just can't make this up. So the content out here just makes itself. You know what I mean? Like, it's so freaking funny, dude. I laughed for a while. I still think it's funny. You know, but hey, to keep from rambling on too much about nothing, I'm going to call it here. You fellas and ladies, have a good night and a safe weekend. And I will be talking to you soon. All right? Peace.